What's going on, guys? Esoteric Rider here, and today my curiosity has got the best of me. And what I'm talking about is ever since I installed these Cobra pipes, I've kept the baffles in them because I've been extremely satisfied with how they sound with the baffles in, and I left them alone. But I've got to thinking, with other exhaust options that I've been looking at, I've already had the Cobra slip-ons, the 2-in-1 burner, and these. And it makes me wonder, these do have removable baffles. I wonder how it sounds with the baffles removed. So in this video, we're gonna do exactly that, and we're gonna see how it rides, how it sounds, and how it feels, and see if there's any big difference. So let's cut the talking, and let's grab an Allen key and remove these two simple bolts that you gotta take out, and then the baffle should just slide right out. So after you remove the two bolts that are holding in the baffles, what I did was inside where the bolts actually grip onto is I actually took a pair of needle nose, there we go, get it in the camera here, needle nose pliers, and I grabbed onto where the bolt is that holds it into place, or the nut, whatever you want to call it, that's actually welded on. And I was able to grab it. I can't grab it from the angle that I'm at. I have to move the camera real fast. So I got it from that bolt there, and with a good grip, that is. Yeah, so this is putting up a little bit of a fight, so just be ready for that. I may actually have to use vice grips now, or something. Yeah, because those bastards are in there. All right, after using snap ring pliers and just kind of going inside of here, wedging it in there, that has been my best bet on getting these baffles out. So I might be able to actually take them off by hand. Yeah. A little persuasion, there we go. Yeah, so there is the first baffle. There's a pair of vice grips, and that seemed to be my best bet. So let's go ahead and fight to get this other one out. The baffles are out, so let's hear what it sounds like starting up. Well, there you have it, guys. That is how the Cobra straight shot sound with no baffles in, and I can't say that I don't like it, because I'm very, very impressed with how they sound. I thought they were gonna sound like my 2-in-1 burners, just super throaty and just didn't fit the bike, but they sounded how they sound with the baffles in, but just louder and just more bass. And it's just like, oh man, it fits the bike. It really does fit the bike, especially with the tuner and the air cleaner on it. I do gotta adjust it a little bit to get rid of the fireballs that come out of the end, because I'm sure that's definitely decreasing my miles per gallon. But I will probably make an updated video on that. But for this video, that's actually going to finish it. So if you guys enjoyed what you saw, be sure to check out the rest of the videos on the channel. And if you like this video in particular, leave a like, leave a comment if you wish. Be sure to subscribe to the channel for more content like this, and check out the Instagram at Esoteric Rider, where you find pictures and videos of this fine specimen of a motorcycle and much more motorcycle related content. So until then, when you ride, keep the rubber side down and be safe and ride free. Peace out.